Alright, what's up YouTube? What's up guys? We're back, we're finally back on YouTube. So, it's been around 2-3 weeks since last I uploaded. Yep. So I'm pretty excited to be back for you guys and document my journey. As you guys know, I've been learning this new strategy, ICT with macro and all that. And I've been doing great, but some stuff happened in real life. I don't want to talk too much about it, right? It's not that important. Life goes on, but here I can post a picture. But yeah, thankfully everyone is good, right? But yeah, let's start. So, what I'm gonna do now is a day 1 to 30, documenting every single day except the weekend since I'm still living, with my parents and everything. I can't really just be a baller yet, you know what I mean? So I can do like vlogs and stuff. So it's just gonna be straight recaps. So yeah, basically day 1 to 30, documenting every single day, my recaps, my trade, and the end goal at the end of the 30 days is have 20K in payout. So today we're September 4 till the 15 October, right? October 15, 30 days. So that's the goal. Day 1, road to 20K payout, the start, and then day 2, I'll figure something out and as a title, and yeah, we'll keep going. So this way, I'm fully locked in. I'm doing everything that I need to do. I have my daily routine. I'm posting on YouTube. I'm keeping myself accountable, and yeah. So let me show you guys what changed and all the good stuff. So as of right now, I don't want to show my information too much, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 account on Take Profit. They're all pros, as you guys can see right there. Okay. Now, here, I'll just show you guys. So as of today, day 1, this is our balance. So 25.6, 25.2, bang, bang, bang. Now we still have the intraday, so we have to be careful, the drawdown. But we should be all right, right? Whatever happens, I'm not crashing out. I'm not doing anything that I'm not supposed to do. I'm locked in. Outside of trading, in trading, everything is going to be fine. So, today we had a good setup. I'll just explain what happened. Let me just log out so I don't, by accident, take a trade. So basically, I had a great setup in macro and everything, but what happened is, so here, let me show you guys. So let's say, in TradingView, you need to type this number right there, so the 50 and not the 12. So 12 is 12 points and 50 is the ticks. So you type the ticks. I don't know why I was distracted. I typed the point in there. So when I took the trade, my stop loss was so small and I was like, oh no, I just closed instantly, and then the trade played out, so I was done for the day, right? Anyway, and the other thing that happened is, why is the balance a little bit off? The weekend, not trade lock in, Trade Syncer, they logged out everyone to make maintenance, and I forgot to copy trade them again to enable copy trading, right? So one account got some profit and the rest no. And then today, this is what happened, right? But anyway, it's 400 difference, so it's not a big deal. So that's the goal for the next 30 days. If you guys want to tune in with me and be on my journey with me. What else can I say? Yeah, I'm excited to be back to make some videos because I enjoy actually making videos. It's giving me something to do, keeping me disciplined and all that. Now I know my videos, they're not perfect and they're not, flashy and all that. It's just basic trading, but I need to start somewhere. So This is where it starts. So like I said, even if I make, for example, as of right now, I'm strictly, first I'm on mini NQ. I'm only risking 250 and making 500. So on one account, I can lose 250 or make 500, 1 to 2, that's it. So let's do 250 multiplied by 5. So I can lose up to 5, on my 5 accounts, 1.250 USD, or 500 bank, or make 2.5k USD, right? But even if I make 2.5k USD, it's not gonna count toward the 20k payout because it's payout. But yeah, with take profit, I can get daily payouts and all that. Once we meet the buffer, we can start actually stacking them up, stacking the payouts, and yeah. So we'll see by the end of the 30 days where we're at. And yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. I'm glad to be back. We're fully logged in, full discipline for this entire month. When I say month, I mean 30 days because we're already 1 week into the month, but whatever. So yeah guys, that was the video and I'll see you guys tomorrow.